The honey is capped and the moisture content looks good.
Yes, we can start the extraction process now. A little to the left. Okay, lowering it now.
Honey flows through fine filtration systems. Tiny particles are carefully removed. Temperature and moisture levels are stable. Confirmed. Batch passed. Production statistics remain high across all shifts. The new automated retrieval system is certainly boosting our efficiency. Filled honey jars continue toward sealing stations. Metal lids are placed automatically. Machines
stations. Quality inspection cameras scan every honey jar. Sensors detect any packaging defects. Faulty products are removed instantly.
Robotic arms organize jars into groups. Automation increases efficiency dramatically. The robots move with perfect precision.
Bring that pallet right here to bay 3. Make sure it's secure.
The shipment matches the manifest. 40 pallets exactly. Perfect, thank you. We'll get this moving.
With the turds. Trucks arrive at distribution centers. Workers unload pallets efficiently. The supply chain remains smooth. Products move toward...
We just finished stocking the new honey shipment.
Oh, it looks wonderful. I'll definitely take a jar.
Look at this one. It's a great price for the size.
Let me get some pink.
Yeah, thank God.
Yeah, the color is beautiful. We'll take it.
Look at that golden stream. This is delicious, Mom. Can I have some more?